Okay, hello everyone, this is random chat. Okay, I cannot remember all the candles, but have a quick example for the end game. Like its name is very powerful. And today, refresh training. Some of you five member enter the class for the Zoom, but the other member. Okay, so let's see the end game, how it works actually, and how behind the tips, how deeply it works. Okay, so anytime you see a higher point, you spot your zone. Okay, so this is not higher, not higher, but this is higher than everything. So you can draw like this, or at least you draw like this. So you can draw like this. This is the first, and this is the second, and where do you have a third? Okay, in the future, if you have anything by a close price beyond break extreme level here, you can enter without fear a put. You can enter a put, take a put for a red candle. You can enter without fear with big money, I think. Okay, so let's draw in the future extreme level, a line here, extreme level, if we have anything break. Okay, so this is very good level, and maybe long time, 1 hour, 2 hours, maybe not coming up. Okay, I don't know. Okay, let's see, coming up. Let's proof. Okay. Yeah, we have it here, guys. Look at this. Okay, extreme level, and you have it now. It is big winning. It is big winning, guys. No fear. See, it close, cross the level, so you have good reason to go down. Okay, now I will spot randomly again. Okay, so you have a validation in here and another validation in here. So this is how do we draw from the first validation. This is the first point, second point, this third point, and this is the last point. So you have end game here. Easily, very easily, and very easy to see with naked eye. This is the extreme level. Oh my god, this is a winning. Oh, I'm not blah blah on the history. I'm talking about strategy. Strategy, bros. So pay attention to that. This is how we draw the first level and the first turning point, the second turning point. The second one should be higher than the first one. But you see, the validation, the bottom of the end game should be like this, should look like this. Okay, but the first where you start drawing, from this point, not from this point. Okay, and remember the middle point should be higher than the first point, the first top. So after the last top, you can enter without fear. 70 is the minimum winning ratio for this, and you often have 85 to 90% for this ratio, for this strategy. Okay, so have fun and goodbye.